My experience with the DoorLoop sales team and onboarding process, I would rate them a 10 out of 10. Actually, that's not fair. 100 out of 10. My name is Andrew Harrison. My company is Goodell Investments, LLC, and we own and manage a portfolio of multifamily communities, apartment complexes specifically, and some office rental space, as well as a resort cottage property. I decided to become a property manager many years ago. I've been in this business approximately 25 years, and I thought it'd be a change from the retail career that I had envisioned myself in, a high-end apartment community, as a leasing consultant, and I fell in love with the business. DoorLoop helps us save countless hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. They make this process so much more simple. Accounting is super easy, and it shaves hours off every week just with the accounting platform. One of the problems that we faced with previous software companies was getting a timely answer to when we would have a technical support issue. Now, with DoorLoop, that quick response time and the staff bending over backwards to get a rapid answer to you has made this software just a saving grace. I chose DoorLoop because of the fact that the salesperson, Bruno, was amazing. Not only did he answer all of our questions and spend a considerable amount of time with us, but he also helped to get us onboarded very easily. My favorite DoorLoop feature is actually the customer service. Having the tech support be really instantly accessible, and having a team of folks that are truly interested in the success of our business, that makes DoorLoop the best. So what changed between other service providers and this provider really comes back to customer service, support, and definitely price. Comparatively, we are paying less for our property management software that has truly tailored the software to what our needs are. They've rolled out new features and new ways of doing things for the software itself that actually works so much better for our particular company. Life looks amazing now that we've made this change. We have a lot more time in our day to focus on bigger picture things rather than just intricacies of property management software. We have time to spend with our residents. We have time to be able to spend developing our business and growing our business, adding additional units. We're poised to add approximately 30 more properties to our portfolio this year. Everything is better coming on board with DoorLoop.